You've saved your first $1,000. That's a big deal. Most Americans never get there. Now, the question is, what do you actually do with it? Put it in a savings account, and it'll be worth roughly the same amount in 10 years. Invest it correctly today, and it could be worth $21,000 by retirement, without you adding another dollar. Here's exactly how to invest your first $1,000 step by step, starting today. Clear the runway first. Before you invest a single dollar, make sure two things are true. 1. You have at least $1,000 in a separate emergency fund. If this $1,000 is your only savings, put it in a high-yield savings account first. You cannot invest money you might need in 3 months. 2. You have no credit card debt above 10% interest. Paying off a 24% interest credit card is a guaranteed 24% return. No investment beats that, risk-free. Pay the debt first, then invest. Open the right account. Your first $1,000 should go into a Roth IRA, not a regular brokerage account. Here's why. Inside a Roth IRA, your money grows completely tax-free. When that $1,000 becomes $21,000 over 40 years, you owe the IRS $0 on any of that growth. In a regular brokerage account, you'd pay capital gains tax on every dollar of profit. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity or Charles Schwab. Both are free, no minimum balance. How to split your $1,000. Put $800, 80% into a broad U.S. market index fund. This is your core. Put $100, 10% into an international index fund like VXUS. This gives you exposure to companies outside the U.S. Put $100, 10% into a dividend ETF like SCHD. This starts building passive income from day one. You don't need to do all three right now. If you want to keep it even simpler, put the full $1,000 into FXAIX or VOO and add the others later. What to actually buy? Log into Fidelity, search FXAIX, click Buy, enter $800, confirm done. Search VXUS, click Buy, enter $100, confirm. Search SCHD, click Buy, enter $100, confirm. You just built a 3-fund portfolio that professional investors pay thousands in advisor fees to get someone else to build for them. And yours cost you nothing in fees. Buy today. The best time to invest is always now. Set it and automate. The $1,000 is just the start. The real wealth comes from what you add every month after. Go into your Fidelity account and set up a recurring automatic investment, even $50 a month into FXAIX. It pulls from your bank automatically, buys the fund, and you never have to think about it again. $50 a month added to your $1,000 starting today at 8% average return becomes over $95,000 in 30 years. The one mistake that kills your first investment. The number one mistake new investors make is checking their portfolio every day and panicking when it drops. Your $1,000 will lose value sometimes. It will drop 10%, 20%, even 30% in a bad market. That is completely normal. Every single time the market has dropped, it has recovered and gone higher. The only people who actually lose money are the ones who sell during the dip. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.